do you not have enough for a bicycle?
Okay, so I
What's
have a
up,
big
guys?
flashlight now.
We're back with another video, and today it's another. We're
So
playing
funny you forgot to laugh. Yo, why are they in here?
Animal Company, and go download this game.
Yo,
It's
guys.
on App Lab, and we're gonna go do this.
Where's our friend? Where's our friend? I'm a friend.
Come on, guys.
Big flashlight, big flashlight, big.
Flashlight.
Stop hitting me.
Were you my friend?
Big flash.
Oh, good one. Why did the chicken cross the road? Yo, hold on. Stand still. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side? Yo, who threw that?